Welcome to Flo-Tek Ramotswa. Established in 2020 and supported by nearly 120 skilled employees, the operation is driven by precision and a strong commitment to quality manufacturing. The facility also produces roto-molded products, including cattle troughs and septic tanks, engineered for practical, everyday applications. Our tanks range from 500 liters to 10,000 liters, designed to deliver durability, reliability, and consistent performance across a wide range of uses. This facility manufactures roto-molded tanks and high-performance HDPE pipes for residential, agricultural, and industrial applications. HDPE pipes are produced at the facility with diameters ranging from 20 millimeters to 450 millimeters, serving agriculture, mining, infrastructure, and industrial sectors. All products undergo rigorous testing to ensure consistent quality and performance. Backed by SABS and BOB certification, they meet recognized regional and international standards, supporting key sectors with solutions designed for long-term performance.